So welcome back my channel Car Technology. In this video I tell our friend how to use an ECT and Snow when you need to use a ECT and Snow function when the road is slip and have the snow. In this video that I saw on the car model is a Toyota Highlander 2004. Okay, model year 2004. Okay, ECT and Snow, we use it when you driving on the road have the snow and slip. Okay, especially USA, Canada, Australia, but Cambodia no, we never use it. Okay, but you can driving to up to the mountain, you can use this ECT and Snow to protect the slip. Okay, thank you. In this my video, good luck.